Welcome to the DIY classes, kids. Yes, kids, today we are just going to learn a very cute handband, okay, kids? So, everybody is ready with the materials and everything? Okay, kids. So, let me introduce you to the materials which you need for the wristband. We are just going to learn this, okay, kids? See, it is so cute. Like, it will be just changing the emotions. Like, we can just change the emotions in this wristband, okay? See, it will look like this, okay? So, we are just going to make this very cute wristband today. Yeah, yes, kids, everybody can wear this on your hands and you can just flaunt it in front of your friends, kids. So, I am just going to teach you this wristband and I am sure you all will have fun making this. So, we need this pink stripe of paper. You can just take your favorite shades, kids, for this, okay? See, I am just having a pink stripe and a square piece of paper, okay? And I have just cut it with my scissors. So, you need a scissor, one small cutter, or a black marker and some sketch pens, okay, kids? So, I am just taking one shade of my sketch pens, okay? So, let's start, okay, kids? So, I'm just showing you first of all what you need to do. I hope everybody has the strips of paper. So, I'm just like showing you how you will be just drawing the different emotions, okay, kids? So, first of all, I am just drawing a cute bunny, okay, on my paper. So, you can just write a U letter, okay, kids? Just write a U letter to make the bunny shape, okay, kids? You can also draw your favorite cartoon character in this. So, I am just drawing the ears of the bunny, okay? So, everybody, please draw this cute bunny now. Okay, I have just drawn it. And now, what I will do is, I will be just taking my knife, okay? Means my cutter. And please be careful, kids. Like, take the help of your parents while using the cutter. So, I just need to make two lines, okay? One line at the right and one line at the left, okay? So, I am just making the lines. So, one line I am making at the left and the another line I'm making at the right, okay? Everybody can see I have made these lines, okay? Please cut this area properly. So you see, kids, I have got these cuts on my sheet, okay? So now what I need to do is I just need to cut this paper, okay? So I am just cutting the paper. As you can see, I am just cutting the paper. So everybody start cutting the face. And in this for this wristband, you can also like take the you can also draw your favorite character, like any favorite cartoon character, okay, kids? So as you can see, I have just drawn on the bunny, okay? Now what I will do is I just need to insert this paper into this face, okay, kids? So what I need to do is, like, first of all we need to measure, okay? Like this stripe and this cut, okay? So it should be equal. This line and this line should be equal, okay? So I see my stripe is little bit thicker, so I need to cut it little bit, okay, from this portion so that it becomes thin, okay? So I am now just cutting my strip. So after measuring this, I am just cutting the stripe, okay? So you see, kids, now I have cut this stripe and now once again I will measure whether this line and this line is equal or not, okay? So I see now it's quite equal. I'm cutting it little bit more so that I can just insert the stripe properly inside the face. So I'm cutting it little bit more from this portion. Okay, so now I have just cut the stripe. So you see kids, now it is just equal. From this side also it is equal. So now what I will do is I will just insert the stripe. Okay, so how you will put the stripe inside this face? See, now just hold the stripe. Okay, and you see this cut. Yes kids, just put the stripe inside this cut. Okay, so you see like this, I'm just putting it inside this cut, and now it will just come from this portion. Okay, see kids, like this. Okay, you see it will be just like this. Okay, yes, it will be just inside this stripe. Okay, so now what I will do is I will be just drawing some cute old faces inside this bunny. Okay kids, so first of all I am just going to make some cute emotions. That's it. Okay, first of all I'm making some cute eyes, a nose for my bunny, and a cute smile on his face. Okay, just taking little bit of red and pink sketch pen to color. Okay kids, so I'm just coloring my bunny's ears little bit. I'm adding little bit of pink here, so on his ears. Okay, I'm just putting some small little ovals on his face, and I'm drawing this mouth. You can just add little bit of whiskers if you want. Okay, so this is how you'll be drawing. Okay, so this is my first emoticon. Okay, and now as I will just move this, you see one more space we got. Okay, now I will be just drawing one more emoticon here. Okay, so it will be one more cute face on my bunny. So you see kids, I have made one more face here. Okay, now as I will move this shade, moving the stripe. Okay, once again I have got one more space. Okay, and here I will be making one more face. Okay kids, just keep little bit of space in front of these two emoticons. So now I will be just making a laughing emoticon. Okay, this bunny is looking quite naughty in this laughing emoticon. So you see, this is how you need to draw the third emoticon. Okay, you can also draw your own favorite emoticon if you want. Okay, so after this what you need to do is you need to just need to draw one line from this place. Okay, and one line from this. Okay, from this area. So just mark the lines. Okay kids, with your black sketch pen you can just mark these two lines. Okay, so I've marked the lines, and now you see if I move this stripe, you can see some cute emoticons. You can just change these emoticons as you move the strip of paper. So whatever is your favorite emoticon, you can just keep it. Okay, so like this we can just move it when we wear it on our hands. Okay, see kids, like this it will look. Okay, so now I will just show you what next we need to do. We just need to cut these small areas. Okay, cutting from this area and this area I've just cut. Okay, and now I will be just wearing this wristband, and I will be just showing you how it will look on my hands. Okay, so I'm just wearing it. Okay, Now I will just just lock these two places like this. Okay, you see kids, you see how I have locked these two places? Yes, just like this you need to lock these two places. Okay, and then you can just cut the extra portion. Okay, see, cut it. This is how you need to cut this extra portion. Okay, and whenever you are wearing this on your hands, you can just move the emoticons like according to your like interest. You can just move the emoticons. Like now I just want this, so I will just keep this on my hand. Okay, you see, it looks so cute. You see kids, this is how it will look. Okay, then once if I want to keep this emoticon, then I can just move the strip. Okay, see kids, this is how it will look. Okay, and then if I want to keep this face, then I will just keep this. Okay, you see kids, so this is how our wristband will look. Okay kids, I hope everybody has understood how to make this. It is such a cute and a simple simple wristband which you can make. And kids, like when you will be just making these lines, you can also measure once it in your hands. Okay, just like you can just keep this strip on your hand and then you can just measure your hand. Okay, and like if my hand is like till this part, so I will be just making those lines from this portion and at this place. Okay, so this is how you can also measure. Okay, so kids, I hope you all have understood that this cute simple wristband. Everybody just make this cute wristband and just flaunt it in front of your friends. Okay kids, so this is it for today. Thank you very much kids. Bye everyone. Bye.